Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Most traders only look at candlesticks and moving averages. But today, I'll show you a hidden tool inside Pocket Option that many traders completely ignore. This is called the Volume Spike Scalper strategy, and it works amazingly in the real market with 1-minute expiry trades. Quick note before we start. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice. Trading always involves risk. Please practice first on a demo account, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. The setup is very simple. We'll use 15-second candles, 2 moving averages, EMA 10 and EMA 50, and Pocket Option's built-in volume indicator. The rules are also very simple. If a candle closes above both EMAs with a sudden buyer volume spike above 90%, the next candle is likely continuation. Take a buy trade. If a candle closes below both EMAs with a sudden seller volume spike above 90%, the next candle is likely continuation. Take a sell trade. If volume is weak, below 50%, just skip the trade. This is unique because most traders ignore Pocket Option's built-in volume. But with this strategy, liquidity surges give us an extra edge in making decisions. Risk management. Risk management is very important. Binary can be tricky, so always risk only 1 to 2% of your balance per trade. 4 to 5 good setups in a session are more than enough. If you lose 2 trades in a row, stop trading and wait at least 30 minutes before starting again. Smart money management is the real secret to long-term success. Before we move to live trades, I have something special for you. You can download the full strategy checklist, indicator settings, and entry rules in a simple PDF. It's completely free on my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Now, stay tuned as I'll show you the live trades in real market conditions with this setup. If you found this strategy helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tested strategies. All right, traders, let's look at this buy trade I just entered. Here, you can see the candle closing above both EMA 10 and EMA 50. At the same time, the volume spike shot above 90% on the buyer side. That's our confirmation. According to the strategy rules, this is a clear signal to enter a buy trade on the next candle with 1-minute expiry. Now, as the trade runs, notice how the price is still holding above both EMAs. The volume indicator confirmed strong buying pressure, which means the market has enough momentum to continue in our favor. Even if small pullbacks happen, the important point is that the volume surge confirms the buyers are in control. And here's the result. The buy trade closed successfully in profit. This shows how powerful volume confirmation can be when combined with moving averages. Now let's not stop here. One winning trade doesn't mean we keep clicking blindly. The next step is to stay patient and look for the next perfect setup. All right, traders, let's look at this buy trade I just entered. Now, let's look at this sell trade. Here, the price clearly closed below both EMA 10 and EMA 50, which means sellers are in control. At the same time, the volume spike went above 90% on the seller side. That's our confirmation signal. So according to the rules, we entered a sell trade for 1-minute expiry. Right after I entered, notice how the volume dropped slightly below 90%. Don't panic if this happens. Because we are using 15-second candles, volume can rise or fall quickly within that short time. Also remember, Pocket Option volume is provided by the platform, so it can fluctuate fast. That's why the important part is, when the candle closed, the spike was there above 90%. That's the entry trigger we trust. And as you can see, the sell trade finished successfully in profit. The price continued to drop because sellers had strong momentum. The next step is to stay patient and look for the next perfect setup. Now, let's look at another sell trade on the same currency pair. Here, the price is clearly trading below both EMA 10 and EMA 50, showing a strong downtrend. At the same time, the seller volume spiked above 90%, giving us confirmation to take a sell entry. So I entered a 1-minute sell trade here. As the trade runs, notice how the candles continue to form strongly in the downward direction. Even if the volume fluctuates slightly during the candle, the overall trend and the entry signal remain valid. And here's the result. Another successful sell trade closed in profit. This shows the importance of combining EMA direction with volume confirmation. Before we end today's session, let me quickly show you the two moving averages we used in this strategy. The first one is EMA10. This gives us the short-term direction of the market. It reacts faster to price, so it helps us see quick shifts in momentum. The second one is EMA50. This is a slower line that shows the overall trend direction. When the price is above EMA50, we know the trend is bullish, and when it's below EMA50, we know the trend is bearish. So together, EMA10 and EMA50 act like a filter, helping us confirm if the price is in alignment with our volume spike signals. All right, traders, that brings us to the end of today's trading session. We took a total of 7 trades, and all of them closed in profit. But remember, this doesn't mean the strategy is perfect. Losses will happen too, and that's why risk management is always the most important part of trading. Use small risk per trade, practice first on demo, and stay disciplined. If you found this strategy helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies, and press the bell icon so you never miss my tested strategies. Also, don't forget, you can download the free PDF checklist with all the rules and settings from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Trade safe, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next video.